Let's make an incredibly easy dessert bite or appetizer idea with scrumptious ginger fig and vanilla notes. I ate way too many of these and had to share them with the neighbors, so I didn't eat more. Let's do it. Today I'll be using Trader Joe's triple ginger thins as my base, and I'll be pairing it with a vanilla cream cheese topping. See the recipe up next. Begin by layering the cookie and some fresh sliced 1/4-inch fig rounds. I'm doing these 2 different ways so you can choose which way you like best. Use a pastry bag or Ziploc to top the figs with this vanilla cream cheese, adding a generous amount to each. If you go with the second method, go ahead and press the figs down into the topper. I like this method better because it glues the fig in place so it doesn't slide off of the cookie. I'm topping mine off with crushed walnuts. Level up any recipe that calls for nuts by toasting them first. Heating the nuts truly brings out the flavor, but it also adds a nice crunch. Because it's fall, I'm adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to each. And finally, drizzle with a little bit of honey. It's great for the appearance of the thing and also adds a touch of sweetness. Optional, add edible flowers to each and really impress your guests. I'm putting a link for those in the description, as well as a recipe link for the vanilla cream cheese topping. These will absolutely be a huge hit at your next gathering. Happy cooking, my friends, and don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video.